So, matagal na yun. 1 year ago, yung part 1.
Yeah. 2024.
Tagal.
Maybe.
Diba?
Yeah.
I think it's
2020.
hot outside, though.
It's hot.
We need our slipper. You're gonna get my slipper.
Guys.
Oh, you don't have any money talaga.
Yes.
Oh, I hate you. Let's check her bag. Hi.
Marami itong laman.
You have another phone? Kanina to.
Ito. Andito yung isa kong account. TikTok.
She have another phone. I have only one. I'm crying. The other one is the
Guys, it's so hot out.
part 1.
Wow! I wanna
The
play
part
with
1.
it.
No! Don't play with that.
Why?
That's a creepy bit. Hoy! Creepy yan.
Hindi naman siya creepy. Ang cute niya kaya.
So yeah, it's at outside.
Guys, it's already summer.
It's already
Guys,
summer.
The last vlog we made is 2024. 1 year
And
ago. And
our Lola's birthday.
this is the they actually blessed this house. Yeah, right? Yeah, they blessed.
No!
Who? Oh, yes.
Lola's birthday.
But it's the church.
Why is the party here? In June 12. In June 12.
Yeah. Guys, it's really hot.
We need peace. Can you help me, bro?
It's really
Oh,
hot.
fuck. It's out. It's hot. No, we need the one for the camera. Oh, I think we don't need this. Because I find a place. It's there.
We're gonna sit.
It's hot outside. And we are not gonna sit.
We're gonna sit.
Let's buy some food.
Guys, we're gonna
Hungry.
buy some food.
No,
Your
later.
money.
Let's buy later.
I don't know, guys.
Mag-isip ko na tayo.
Ano gagawin namin?
So guys, may 7-Eleven dito pero sa Malasin pa. Oh my God, nasa Dupa kami.
Pero malapit naman. Pang shortcutan dyan.
Wala.
Ano ka ba yan?
Guys, mama na kami balik. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kainit. It's only summer. And you see the sky? Just focus the sky. O, di ba?
Init
The
na,
sky
guys.
is good.
Kanina,
Yeah.
guys, nagro-routine ako. Naglagay ako ng foundation and lip balm. Nakaano ako. Alam niyo, light lamp. Nakita ko sa... Naka-light lamp ako. Sobrang init, guys, ng light lamp ko. Kasi nakatutok yun, guys, kanina sa araw.
Okay, guys. So, this is Nia Basconsillian and Nicola Jesse Raza.
Punta tayo sa taas.
No?
We're gonna vlog her. We're gonna
No.
house tour again.
No!
We're gonna house tour again.
So, guys, this is in the Manila. Looks like the Manila, but this is not a Manila. We're
Guys.
here in Vizcaya.
Abangan nyo, guys, yung ano, bagong vlog sa Manila. House tour ko kayo dun. Pati guys sa manhang bahay.
Guys,
Papakita ko, guys, yung bar dun, ah.
You have a bar.
Dun ka nakita doon na panta ko. KTV nila yun. Bangwainan. Ano siya?
May sarili daw kayong restaurant, the bar.
Restaurant na bar. Wala akong sinabi kay Princess na restaurant na bar.
Meron daw.
Sabi ko, bar lang yun.
Okay, so we're fighting if we fight. We don't. Oh. Just let's focus in the food. What can we eat?
May cereal pa dyan?
Cereal? We don't have any cereal. So, maybe what? It's kind of
Miss ko na
boring.
sa karulutan. May
Miss
swimming
you.
tayo.
Kailan yung Easter Bunny?
Malayo pa.
Kailan nga?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Gusto ko ulit mag-Easter Bunny tayo.
Pero, Dati kasi, di ba, may pera sa akin, sa'yo wala. Yung, di ba kasi yung bata pa ako, mga 5 pa lang ako, may mga pera at chocolates. Ngayon wala na. At mag-swimming ulit, nilagay ko dito yung
Di ka nagbabasa ng ulo, guys. Kung alam nyo lang nung bata pa siya, nag-swimming kami. Tapos, nagkakwal na siya, hindi niya binabasa ulo niya. Hindi niya kaya
Pero nabasa
nagbaboy.
yun, pero nabasa na siya.
Sabi niya lang kayo, nagkaroon siya agad, guys. Or hindi daw siya marunong.
Marunong na ako, nag-practice na ako dun sa Manila, no?
Tsaka, ito yung part 2 talaga. Part 2.
Ito na, guys.
Promise.
Ang dami naming ginawang vlogs na part 2. Ito na ata yung totoo kasi andito na ulit kami sa Dupa. Kasi guys, yung gusto namin.
Anong kami? Siya lang, guys. Siya.
Andito na ulit ako. And guys, di ba dito dito kami nag-vlog yung part 2. Ay, yung part 1. 2024 ago.
Oh, risk there.
Doon tayo sa
In September 2 kami nag-vlog ng part 1. And it's Lola's birthday. I mean, September 1 is Lola's birthday.
Yeah, hinaustor natin sila doon.
Yeah, but Tita madadas cause Tita madadas or no? Huh? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Another tita pala yan. So, I wanna buy some food.
But it's so hot outside.
I want to go at 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. I want to go to 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Now.
Ayun na, 7.
Oh my God! Almost 7-Eleven. So we're here at Lola's house. Yeah. If you really not gonna subscribe to us, she's gonna cry like many tears.
No. No, guys.
Yeah.
That's
Don't
not
believe him. Believe
That's not
me. Believe me.
That's not true.
It's so many windows.
Wala akong balik.
It's kind of boring, guys.
Ano may doon isa? Ano ito? Lisak ba? May mga lisak pa.
So, let's throw you sana sa outside, but it's sad, so let's throw you outside in part 3 or later.
Yeah, when we actually, first we're gonna mukbang. Wait, I'm low, but we're gonna do part 2.
No,
Yeah.
you're not lobat yet. Wait, let's see.
I'm
Guys.
no! I'm 43 like that person.
So, what is our gonna buy food?
Maybe France.
No, I don't like farms anymore. I have only 50 pesos.
What? Movie, chicha, juices?
No, I wanna watch movie, bro. I wanna watch the Mutya section E, but I cannot find it into YouTube.
I can find it.
No, let's watch that later. But Kiefer is dumb.
Tol,
Yes.
ah,
Later!
Bakit yun?
saglit lang. Maghanap ka lang ng 10. O, 10 lang.
Can you help me?
Ano
Yes,
yan?
bro. Yes, bro.
So guys, this is the vlog of bubunutan namin yung white hair ni mama ko.
Madimana, iparamid ka. Dito. Madami. Ha? Makita ti.
Here, mother. So
Oh.
that's one. Only head, right?
Uba. Well.
Naputol. Yung kulot,
Two. That's
So, kagaya ni Kwan, kulot.
hi.
Niya, kulot.
That's two. That's four.
Yeah, that's 4 na. 2 pa lang, tapos 4 na dagos.
I hear ice cream, bro.
Kulot ha, kulot.
I hear ice.
Mahal yan, Nicole.
Oh, I know. I know what is
Nicole, alisin mo nga yun. Ano yung nilagay mo doon?
fair.
Ayun, pinapakita mo naman yung... Baka naka-live pa yan.
Hindi.
Dito, dito, sa likod.
Ice cream, bro. I hear that. Oh no, it's coming here.
Nicole, sige na!
We lost the ice cream.
Ice cream ka ng ice cream. Hindi, dyan! Sa likod lang kami. Yung kulot sa
Uy, ilan na yan?
Apat pa lang, Yung kulot. Sinundo ko kayo ngayon. Yan ang pamasahin ninyo. Tigsa 10 kayo.
Pag ilan na ako?
Pang 3 mo pa lang.
Ay niya.
Pang 4 na niya yan. Atay, ang dami naman yun. Ang dami niyang napulot.
Yes. Ilan na sa akin?
3 nga pa lang.
Sa akin na to.
Pang 5 ni Juanilla na. Hindi naman kulot.
Kahit na napili ka mo.
Hindi.
O kung kulot,
kulot.
kung kulot 2 points.
Dahil
Kung
two
kulot
points.
2 points.
Yung kulot nga pinapakuha ko para tigkitin kayo.
Ay, nagtitin lang tayong pera. Is that true? Kulot yan.
Ganito, kulot.
Oh, ilan na ako?
5.
Kay niya?
5 na din.
More time. Oh my goodness. You're wet. You're wet, my mother. You're wet.
Hindi wet yan.
It's pams. 6. 6.
Tigsi 6 na kayo. 4 na lang. 4 na lang kayo.
Guys, we're gonna buy ice cream later. Ginigigil mo, ha? Kulot. 7. Oh my God, look at that. Jake, nakamon.
Ito pa, maganda pwede ka kasi, meron dyan.
Hinahanap ko ng classmate mo pala ko. Pumunta ako sa pista. May pista, no?
Doon o sa bagong bayan, hindi dyan sa center.
Sa bubong bayan naman. 8. It's cool. Oh my God! We have 2 more here.
Kadami na sa niya. Madami
9.
yun.
9. We have only 1 here.
May last one na sila.
10. Oh my God! Yeah, guys, here's the ghost.
Bakit?
Okay, let's go buy
Nagpapaganyan
some
ng
food.
lola ko.
Let's go! Let's go buy some food. Food. Wait, it's all outside. Hey, yeah! Oh my god. Okay, this is my 50 pesos and let's go outside. Let's buy some ice cream, bro.
I'm gonna buy ice cream.
Just watch and learn. I'm gonna hold it
Today. I'm gonna hold it today.
I don't. Here's my cute baby again.
What? He's so cute. What?
You're weird. I'm gonna.
Look. May ganito ako. Wag ka nga. Ang cute ka.
You're weird.
Gusto ko siya sa dollars.
She's crazy, bro.
Gusto ko siya sa dollars. Kasi guys, hindi pa siya daw nakakakita ng ganun dollars.
No. I see that before, but I'm scared because of the Chucky doll.
No?
Guys, boto nyo to, boto nyo to.
Guys, kung taga Nueva Vizcaya
Kaya kayo, or kung saan man, iboto nyo to.
iboto niyo to. Balota number 1.
Balota number 1, Basconsilio. Boto
Ayun
nyo yan.
guys, please.
Please, guys,
Running
please.
up for mayor again. She's vice mayor
Please.
today and
Please.
Yeah.
Please, guys.
running up for municipal mayor.
Please, guys. Vote for
Kung
him.
kilala niyo to guys, kung kilala niyo to,
Or
iboto
kung
niyo na
hindi,
siya.
iboto nyo pa rin yan, guys. Boto nyo
Guys,
yan.
kung taga Nueva Vizcaya Dupax del Sur kayo, iboto nyo to guys. Boto
Kung
yan.
kapitbahay lang namin kayo, guys, boto nyo na to. Yan, guys, boto nyo yan.
Boto nyo yan,
Please
guys.
lang, guys, boto nyo yan.
Please lang.
She's our tito. And please, guys, vote for him.
Guys, ang rami kasi guys.
Tsaka,
laging-
guys, merong nagwakon sa kanya. Nagbabagstab.
Yeah.
At see? Just secret, guys, ah.
Secret lang
She's,
yan.
like, I hate him so bad. And please.
Anong sinasabi niya kay Tito? Yung nagbabackstab.
Sa mga, So, guys, never mind. I'm gonna tell you later. Please vote for him. Please, guys.
Guys,
just
diba?
please. Please, guys.
Ayun,
just vote
guys.
for. Just
Talaga guys,
please.
lagi siyang nananalo. Vice mayor, mayor. Laging ang dami nagboboto sa kanya.
Pero, guys, please lang. I-vote yun na
Guys,
siya.
kung natalo siya today, I'm gonna cry.
Me
Kung
too.
natalo man lang siya sa...
We had hard work for him.
Guys,
And
iboto
he's
nyo
just
ang
gonna lose.
kapusong magtropa.
Kapuso magtropa! Ayan o. Saan dyan?
Wala, hindi mo kasi alam. Yung governor nila, sila Tito Ren, kaya sila naka-red. Si
Guys,
Vanity. Si
please.
Vanity.
Vote for him. Vote for Tito. Vote for him. Please. Please. Just, this is the last time, guys. Just vote for him. Just vote for him.
Guys, malapit na ang election kayo. Boto niya yan, guys. Yan.
So, tara na, guys. Basta iboto nyo yan, guys. Kung hindi yan iboboto, iiyak kami, guys.
Grabe.
Please lang! I-vote
Please,
nyo.
vote na lang siya, guys.
Tsaka magbabayan na kami ng ice cream. Tara.
Di
So,
ba,
guys.
alala mo yung andito tayo?
So, yan pala, guys. Yung sleeper cookie doon tayo dyan.
Ay, nakasama na.
If we play that again, my sleeper is gonna like,
Buti guys, naku-open dun. Ayun o. Ito o. Ito yung kaano niya.
it's not that. That one, oh. Hindi. Ayan yung katim niya, yung mga naka-red.
Ito o, dunggis. Dunggis. Yan. Yan. Yan siya o. Ito.
Yun daw.
Ito siya o. Ito. Vice Mayor. Siya yung magra-running up ng Vice Mayor.
Kakampi ni Tito.
Oo. Dunggis, Vice Mayor.
Yan nga.
Ito?
Ano yan?
Walang, dunggis na naman ah.
Pero hindi magkamukha.
Hindi naman sila magkumukha. Ganun na.
Pero guys,
Pero guys, pinipilit ko siya kanina guys, pumunta sa amin sa Balisain.
guys, wag niyo siyang pakinggan. Ayaw ko guys kasi
Ito oh,
yang
tropang may puso.
ay,
Yan yung katim niya.
tsaka yan naman si Aranas Maron
Alam mo,
Raza.
lahat ng mga teams ganun may governor. Yung governor nila dito is si Banti. Yun oh. Wait lang. At ito
Yun?
tapos ito na red. Wala lang red. Green na lang.
Yun na,
Ayun na yung mga
Banti.
yun oh, Banti congressman.
Bakit?
Tignan natin dun.
No,
Yan lahat sir.
I'm tired of walking.
Saan ba tayo?
Just watch and learn, bro.
Yan lang naman oh.
Can you hold this? I hate that man. Lagi kayo.
Oo nga. Kuya Jong ba yun?
It's not Kuya John.
Ano? Kuya Jun.
No.
Kuya Ong.
We're almost there, guys.
Dito ba?
Ay, dito!
Yes. That's why ako float.
But it's only one. Ah! That's why ako float. There's ako in Tulula.
Yeah.
That's why one ko float.
May gatas ka ba?
Float nga ako.
May gatas ka ba? Dun? May gatas ba dun? Di ba alam mo na?
Hindi ako. Lagyan na lang natin ang coke mamaya kasi may matitira lang din ice cream.
Ay, oo.
Pwede pong dalawang straw. Dalawang straw.
Large. Piliin mo. Large na yan?
Large po yan.
Ay, sige.
Large. It's large, bro. May 5 pesos pa tayo.
Anong bibili natin sa warehouse?
Dagdagan ice cream sa isa. Pwede po pa dagdagan ng ice cream. Dagdagan po po ng 5 pesos. Vanilla. Okay. Pwede po sa isang cup. Sa isang cup. Isang unlimited.
Yung isang cup,
Yogurt. Andun na po. Yung ice cream is separated.
ice. Anong ice cream? Palagdagan mo ng ice cream.
Pero sa isang cup, separate.
Bumili ka na lang ng may menu ka dito, oh. 15 lang. Like, Coke float. Yung nila, Rotero,
Yan na.
40.
Chocolate na lang.
O yung pan na lang, yung tag-20 yung giant, yung ganito, oh. O, tag-pisa kayo. Para tag-isa. Giant girl.
Yan po yung ice cream. I'm so nervous, guys.
Ang paano kaya nila yung ginagawa? Coke lang ba yung nilalagay nila?
Yes, Coke and ice cream. I know.
Kasi di ba yung ginawa kasi natin with gatas, di ba? Lasang talagang Coke float.
It's not too much. No ice.
Basta sa akin yung may kagat. Tayo ka natin ah.
Huwag mong taste yung ice cream. Let's run? Maybe let's run.
Yeah! Pero mahuhulog yan.
Hindi.
Hulog yan. Madapa. Baka mamaya madapa ako.
Okay. 3, 2, run, run, run. Yeah, you're first.
Ay,
Ow! My foot!
sarap. Pati ka.
What kind of noise is that? I want to taste the top. Tastes like ice cream.
Mas mura pa dun yung sa school. 35.
Cause it's small. I mean
Hindi,
medium.
large na yun.
That's medium.
Large.
Promise, that's medium.
That's large na, girl. You didn't know. Mamaya, baka nirakan na naman tayo.
No.
Pa yung lasa ng ice cream.
Yes. Wala, baka natunaw na yung ice cream mo.
Tunaw na nga eh.
What? Oh my God! No,
mean-
don't worry, cause we can put into the cup. Me too. It's melted.
Kuha na lang ako ng baso.
We have a big baso for you.